What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the giant chameleon Po from Kung Fu Panda 4. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a curve in between the eyes. We're going to start on the left side. Let's bend this up in the middle, go across, and then down. Let's move to the center and draw a straight line going up in between the brow. And then we're going to go over towards the left side, bend the brow going out and up, and then bend that out towards the left. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to move over, going up and out, and then bend that out towards the side. Now from the end, we're going to step in. I'm just going to curve this around, and then bend that in towards the side. Do the same thing on the right, going all the way around, and then in. Let's push the eyes towards the inside. So we step in, add another curve, going around, and then in. Let's add the pupils towards the inside. We're going to add a point. We're going to come down and up. We'll fill the pupils in black. We also want to fill that outside area in black. Now let's move to the center and draw a curve at the top edge of the nose. We're going to start from the left and bend this down and then up. On the ends, bend this out and then down. Now from here, we're just going to bend the nose, going down and in towards the center point. Go up and out towards the right. Let's fill the inside of the nose in black. Now directly underneath the nose, we're going to add another curve for the mouth. We're going to come down the middle, and then up. Go back to the left side, curve the bottom of the mouth. Coming down, around, and then up. Now we're going to separate the teeth on the inside. Let's start from the top center, come down, and then up. And then we'll repeat this out towards the side of the mouth. Do the same thing on the right. Now that we completed the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, we're going to step out to the head, coming down, come around the chin just underneath the mouth, go across, and then up. Let's add a fold across the bottom. We're going to come down towards the bottom of the head, and then bend that back up. Now I want to draw the top half of the head, starting back on the left, go all the way around towards the top, round out the head, and then bring that back down on the right. Let's place two small ears along the top, starting on the left, then it's up and out, round out the ear, and then bend that back in. Let's go over towards the right, going up, then in, and then in the center we're going to add a fold, going up and then out towards the side. Now I want to add some texture inside the head. Let's start on the left side on top of the eye. We're going to draw a half circle. Now you want to randomize the size of these circles going around above the brow and then just working our way across. Let's add some spots across the top of the head. And we're just varying the size of these circles. And then work our way across the side. I'm just going to add a few across the top of the bridge of the nose. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the body going out, around, and then in. Go to the right side, going out, around, and in. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Now I want to separate the top area of the body with these curves. We're going to start from the side, we're going to go up and then down. Now we're going to repeat this, adding these small points going across the body towards the right. Let's add some spots across the bottom of the body. Now in the center, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Just leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up towards the outside. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw a half circle, going up and then down towards the heel. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this out and then bend that down towards the outside of the foot. And then we're going to add a trim across the hip, coming down and then up. Let's add some stripes across that trim, starting in the middle with a straight line. We're just going to move over, working our way out toward the left hip, and then do the same thing on the right. Now along the bottom of the foot, we're going to add a thick sole. So we're going to step up, just trace that curve going across. Along the top of the foot, let's separate the toes with a curve going out and then down. Along the inside, we draw two small ovals for the claws. And then just up above the foot, let's add a curve coming down and then across towards the inside. On the right side, let's step up, add another curve to the bottom of the shorts. And draw the same thing over on the left side. We're going to add a notch on the side. Come down and in, go up and down, continue that curve coming in. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the shorts with some stitches. Let's start on the left side, that is up and in. Add small stitch lines going across. Let's go to the center, going out and down. Just going to add one more going out towards the right side. And now we're going to go back up to the top and add those spikes across the shoulders. Let's start from the left side of the head, that is out and up, come down and in. Let's add another one along the side, going out and up, come down and in. Let's add a small point on the inside. Now the arm on the left is going to be holding the staff. Let's start from the side of the spike, bend the arm going down and out towards the wrist. Let's curl around the thumb, going up, come down, and just bend the thumb coming back up. Let's wrap three small fingers along the outside, starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and in, come down to the bottom, draw that again, going up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. And place the staff in behind the hand in an angle. Let's start from the bottom finger. I'm going to draw two straight angled lines. Come down, step in, and draw that again. Let's close out the bottom with the curve. Now you want to extend these two lines along the top of the hand. So we'll start with the outside line, going up, step in, and draw another line. Now from the inside line, we're going to go all the way around like a circle. Just pull that down on the left side. Let's go out and bend that down. Now we're going to go all the way around the outside and back in towards the outside of the staff. So go up, come around, and then in. Let's add a small circle along the top, and then one more inside. Now just underneath that bottom finger, underneath the staff, we're just going to bend the palm coming in and up. Step back down, bend the arm coming down, and then in towards the side of the body. Now let's line up the inside of the arm over on the right side, bend the arm coming down and out towards the wrist. Draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to wrap three fingers along the bottom, starting underneath the thumb, come down and up, step down, add the second finger, and then the third finger coming up towards the wrist. Let's close out the outside of the arm, bend it up underneath that spike. and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the giant chameleon Poe from Kung Fu Panda 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.